bagong watch kasi.
Guys, for this video, open po namin yung parcel ni Mira. I'm so excited. I think this is a toy.
No, that's a watch.
Let's see.
This is the watch. And watch this, Mama.
I think this is a panty.
No, you kidding me.
I
Watch
think
this,
this is a
Mama.
brief.
It's for the hair, para hindi siya yung dami tikwas-tikwas.
How about this?
Watch it.
How about this?
It's a watch. Ooh.
Wow!
It's for your hair.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
mine.
pakita natin sa ano. Pakita natin
That's
sa
the
kanila.
hair. Para sa hair ito sa akin nito.
Papakita natin sa viewers natin.
Para hindi maraming
So
naka-baby
yun guys,
hair.
open po natin ito guys kasi kailangan na Amira to dahil sobrang kulit niya guys. Abuyak ang kanyang buhok.
Bakit lang?
Ayan like this.
Yeah,
Tapos
like,
ganun siya.
no!
That's not milk. Bakit lang?
So yun guys, na po yan para sa hair niya na abuyak. And now this one. Ito yung pinag-pray-pray niya ata eh. Ito ba pinag-pray-pray mo? I think this is not a watch.
This is like a watch. Like, Mama, wala bagong watch kasi. Let's see.
Wow! A Barbie watch!
No, like a unicorn.
A unicorn! Unicorn watch! This is for me! Tingnan nyo guys, paano niya isusuot yung unicorn niya watch niya. Kasi ito pang pretty ito. Para sa girls to kasi. So yun guys. Ay, pan. Ay, ganda naman watch mo mama. Oh, wait. Masisira na!
Hey.
Eh,
No,
lang.
hey.
Wala battery naman. Ba?
Hindi pa battery ito. Pag battery ito. Pag battery mo.
Natin yung baby. It's nice. Wow.
Kasha.
May ilaw yan, Papa.
May ilaw pa. Tingin. Saan ilaw niya?
Open nyo kasi.
Mira.
Stop.
Yung orasan niya.
Open.
Open? Paano open? Ayun. What time is it? Oh, baliktad na pinagdalay ko.
Wait na tayo sing.
Dad. Bye guys!